Year 3 loan first team. That's Ajax. 5 years at Barcelona. Turned pro at 17. Wage 6K. Signing on fee 100K. Pathway year 1 under 19s. Year 2 Barcelona B. Dortmund 3 years. Turned pro at 17. 25K. 750K signing on fee. Year 1 under 21s. Year 2 first team loan. Monaco 18. You turn pro. 4-year contract. 2K wages, 50K signing on fee, first team pathway immediately. And then Bayern Munich, 17, 3-year contract, 15K, 400K signing on fee, under 21s and first team debut in cup competitions. And then Saudi, 5 years, turn pro at 17, wage 75K, signing on fee 1 mil, pathway first team. Oh, what are you not doing here? Oh, you know what? Obviously, the lucrative side of things, you're going to say Saudi. You're going to say Saudi if you're talking about money. But what does that do for your career? You could end up just some random guy in Saudi. You're making good money, but your career might not be fulfilled. You might not have a fulfilling career. But again, it's a short career. You only have one life. You want money, right? So I hear that. But do I want to, at 17, just sign my way to Saudi and not have said to myself, I gave myself the best opportunity to play at the highest level? I would probably say no. Now, Ajax, 20K, 17, 250K signing on fee. Year 1 under 18s, year 2. That's more kind of steady. So that means I'm going to break into the Ajax first team at 19, 20. And we see where we're at. You know Ajax are going to look after you. You know Ajax, there's always been a pathway from Ajax to another team, to bigger teams. So that's an option. Barcelona is the club that you'll look at and you'll probably think that's where you'd want to be. La Masia. Imagine coming through the La Masia ranks. You know what I mean? Decent money, 6K. All right, it's not a lot. It's not a lot at all, but you're 17 years old. I think that's what Kobe Mainu was on when he broke through. 100K sign-on fee, whatever. But the only thing is there, it's like the pathway is under 19s and Barcelona B. So you gotta be good. You gotta fight for your chance to get into that first team. The first team path is probably going to be stacked. First team path is probably going to be stacked. Have you got it in you? Have you got it in you? So that's one. You know which one I like the most? I think I like the most. I think I actually like the Bayern one, you know. 15K, it's in the middle of the wages, of everybody's wages that's being shown so far. I turned pro at 17, 3-year contract, 400K signing on fee, which is the third most on this list. And I make my debut for Bayern Munich in cup competitions. First team debut in cup competitions. So what, the Pokal, I'll be playing with the first team. And then I'm with the under 21s. I'm making good wages, 15K a week, signing on fee. I like Bayern so far. So far, I like Bayern. Pathway, you know, at Bayern, if it doesn't work out, we've seen like guys go on to decent clubs. Dortmund, if you're talking about the history of Dortmund as a football club, they're obviously very attractive. They're obviously very attractive when you think about Dortmund as a club. But it's saying first team loan, though. It's saying first team loan. It's not saying, oh, I'm going to play the first team. So I'm going to go on loan after in my second year at Dortmund. I kind of don't want that. Because then after my loan, if I do well, I come back to Dortmund and where are you sending me? Dortmund can send me to like, I don't know, the championship. They could. Who am I? I'm just a 17-year-old and they're under 21s. I can get sent to the championship. So I will say I wouldn't go to Dortmund. I don't know where you're sending me on my first team loan. Wait, what does that say? That says first team. Does that say first team start for Monaco? It doesn't even say, but let's just say it says first team. 4 years. 4 years at Monaco, 2K is, 2K, I'm sorry, that's too little. That's too little. There's a club right there that's offering me a mil. That's offering me 75K with a mil signing on fee, tax-free. And you think I'm taking 2K to play for Monaco because I'm in the first team? Nah. I'm personally getting rid of Dortmund. Oh, Monaco's tax-free, yeah, but I'm getting rid of Dortmund and I'm getting rid of Monaco. Oh, nah. Okay, Monaco is scrapped. Definitely. Monaco is scrapped. I'm not going to Monaco. So now I've got Saudi, Bayern, Dortmund, and Ajax. What did you guys say you're feeling? Saudi. You don't like money too much. People like money too much. I know everyone's looking at it like, give me the money, give me the money, give me the money. You lot are just going to spend that money on girls, alcohol, probably some weed. You're probably going to send it to some of your boys in the hood. Send it to some boys in the hood so they can go and buy it, sort out their lines. Nah, man. 17 years old going to Saudi. I'm a bit, you know what I mean? I want to enjoy my life a little bit more. Not to say that you can't enjoy life in Saudi. Saudi's one of the best countries I've ever been to in terms of when I went on a trip there. But I'm young, man. I'm young and lit. I'm still trying to get a little bit lit, you know what I mean? I need to be in a good kind of city where it's like I can have a bit of fun, you know what I mean? I can have a bit of fun. So you got Ajax. Don't you guys think that Bayern is the most balanced one there? It's in the middle of the wages. It's the middle of the signing on fee, and you get first team football and under 21 football. I think I'm going Bayern. Ajax is cool, but again, year 3 loan first team. You don't know. They're kind of indecisive. If I'm standing in the contract room, I'm gonna say, "Yo, hold on, guys. Loan first team. Can you guys make up your decision? What do you want to do with me in my year 3?" So because Ajax are not being conclusive, Ajax are off the cards. Let me know what you want from me in my future. Ajax is off the cards. So then we got Dortmund and Barcelona. We got Saudi and Bayern. Saudi, what am I turning down 75K at 17? Am I turning down 75K at 17? 75K at 17. 1 milli. Yeah. Nah, I'll get to Saudi when I want. Saudi will come back for me one day and offer me 300K a week. Barcelona, year 2, Barcelona B. Do I want to be kicking Barcelona B football at 19? Do I want to be kicking Barcelona B football at 19? Not really. The wages are small. I'm going Bayern. I've made my decision. I'm going Bayern, people. I know only Musiala lately has made it. I can't even remember the last one. It was probably Lahm or something, or Schweinsteiger, but I believe in myself. Tell was there. Xerxes was there, you know. Tell found himself at Spurs. Score a few goals in the first team, and all of a sudden, decent teams could want you. But I've got a 400k signing on fee. I've got 15k wages. I make my debut. I can score some goals. Xerxes ended up at Man United. Not bad. That's a big club. He's probably eating on like 80k now. 70k. Tell is at Spurs. Decent. Premier League. Top 6 football club. Pavlovic, yeah, he's broken through now. Yeah, man. Yeah. Under 21s. Good money. And I can make my first team debut in cup competitions. I'll just got to take it. Who knows? I might not be a striker anyway, so I'm saying striker. I'm not a striker. So, I'm taking it. Bayern. Bayern is where we are going, people. We are going to Bayern. Live my dreams out in Munich. Surrounded by legends. Surrounded by... When I want to go and talk to somebody, you know what I mean? I can say, yo, Oliver Kahn, you good? Yo, Lahm, you good? Yo, Schweinsteiger, yo, you good? You know what I'm saying? Real legends of the game. Kimmich. Yeah, I just need a little bit of support here. Like, tell me do you get where I'm coming from? That's what I'm saying. Yo, Kimmich, how did you know, I saw you receive the ball on the half turn, but when you did that, your hips swiveled a little bit. Is that something that you know what I'm saying? Like, knowledge. Yeah, Ronaldo's at Al Nassr, but Ronaldo's got things to do. Ronaldo's probably thinking, yo, youngin', I'm at the end of my career. I'm trying to get 1,000. Work hard. That's what Ronaldo's going to tell me. Ronaldo's going to tell me, brother, all you got to do, ice bath, turn up early, leave late. That's all. That's it. I'm going to be thinking, oh my God, I did the 50k or dinner with Jay-Z. You get me? Bayern or dinner with Ronaldo. What are you guys choosing? Bayern or dinner with Ronaldo, bruh? Just for Ronaldo to tell me to have an ice bath. Bruh, I be having ice baths already. You know what I mean? I just ain't you, mate. You know what I mean? I just ain't got your ability. I need to talk to more regular guys. You know what I'm trying to say? So I'm choosing Bayern over dinner with Ronaldo, bruh. You know what I mean? Ronaldo's gonna... I'm gonna sit in his his UR studio just for him to tell me, hey, work hard. I've got enough TikTok compilations of Ronaldo talking that motivational talk that will last me a lifetime, bruh. I've already got enough of them. Let me show you. I've got enough of these, man. Look, I've got it.
And you know me, since young, I'm not shy away.
Yes.
I'm not that scared ass that I have cramp. Which is I understand. Some people, they don't want to shoot penalty because they don't feel confident. It's okay.
It's okay.
I respect that. But Cristiano never will do that. Never. Even if I miss one time, I will shoot the second time. If I lose the second time, I will shoot. I'll be turning down Bayern for Ronaldo to tell me, Cristiano, I would never turn down a penalty. I'll be like, bro, I just asked you you know what I mean? I just asked you, how do I control the ball this way? Or how do I, and then he starts telling me about, I would never miss a penalty. I'm like, yeah. You know what I mean? I got you on TikTok, big bro. I got you on TikTok. You're enough motivation for me. So yeah, man. Bayern Munich it is. And then I'll find my way around the football world. Thank you for coming to my career path. That is my contract. Even now, saying your 16-year-old son, I've made it all about myself. I had no idea it's got something to do with your son. If it's your son, yeah, same thing, man. Oh, if it's my son, hold on a second, guys. If it's my son,
If it's my son, hey yo, son, the family needs some milk. Hey yo, son, the yard ain't got no food in the cupboard. Hey son, I need a Range Rover. Hold on. The sun kind of changed everything now. The sun changed everything. Yo, do you get where I'm coming from? Nanny's roof is leaking. Nanny's roof is leaking, bruh. We need that mill. We need that mill signing on fee. Yo, we need that mill. Alhamdulillah. We need that mill. Son, you understand, bruh. You understand, bro. You understand. That's all it is. Baby needs some milk. Nanny need a roof. Pops need a car. Time to learn Arabic. It's time to learn Arabic. That's all I'm going to say. That's all I'm going to say. For me, I'm going Bayern. For my son, you going Saudi. You going Saudi. Woo! Perfect.